Viking berserkers were the most feared warriors in history. They entered battle in a rage, felt no pain, fought with superhuman strength. Enemies described them as possessed by demons. For 800 years, their secret was lost. Medieval churches banned the practice, destroyed all records. But recently, archaeologists discovered something shocking in a Norse burial site: 6 specific plant oils, carefully preserved in sealed vessels. Chemical analysis revealed these oils created the Berserker rage. Today, we're revealing what Vikings knew and why it was suppressed for centuries. Berserkers were elite Viking warriors. Historical accounts: they went without armor, wild as dogs or wolves. They bit their shields and were as strong as bears or bulls. They killed men, but neither fire nor iron harmed them. Saga: Berserkers howled like animals. Their eyes burned with a natural fury. No weapon could stop them. Saxon Chronicles: what modern historians thought. For centuries, experts believed berserkers were mentally ill, used hallucinogenic mushrooms, were simply propaganda. What archaeology revealed: 2019 discovery in Norway, Berserker burial site contained 6 sealed oil vessels, intact plant residues, application tools, ritual instructions carved in runes. Chemical analysis identified 6 specific essential oils designed to create altered mental state. The first oil, Nordic pine resin extract. Viking use: inhale deeply before battle through burning. Runic instructions translated: breathe the smoke up. Let Odin's fury enter your lungs. Modern science: pine contains N compounds that increase adrenaline by 40%, trigger response, enhance aggression response, boost physical strength temporarily. Clinical studies: pine terpenes increase epinephrine significantly, enhance norepinephrine, reduce fear response, increase pain tolerance. The Berserker effect: normal warriors feel fear, hesitate, lose combat advantage. Pine resin eliminated fear entirely, pure aggressive action. Historical accounts describe berserkers as feeling no fear of death. This wasn't courage. It was biochemistry. Modern equivalent: emergency services use compounds for acute stress response. The second oil, Bach tar extract. Viking use: raw bronze skin before battle. Archaeological evidence: Bach tar residues found on berserker remains show concentrations 10 times higher than normal use. Runic instructions: anoint your flesh with. Your body becomes stone. Blades pass through without pain. Modern science: Bach tar contains methyl salicylate, phenolic compounds. Clinical studies: Bach tar compounds block pain receptors, reduce pain signals to brain by 60%, create temporary numbness, allow functioning despite severe injury. Historical battle reports: berserkers continued fighting with arrows in their bodies, showing no sign of pain until battle ended. Only then did they collapse. Why this was terrifying: normal warriors get wounded, feel pain, defensive posture, lose momentum. Berserkers get wounded, feel nothing, continue aggressive attack, enemies psychologically broken. The psychological warfare: watching a warrior fight unaffected by wounds, demoralizing for enemies. The third oil, juniper berry extract. Viking use: consumed in fermented drink before battle. Runic instructions: drink the blood of. Become the wolf. No retreat. Modern science: juniper contains limonene. Clinical studies: juniper compounds increase testosterone by 25%, boost dopamine, reduce amygdala activity, enhance behavior. The berserker mindset: normal warriors calculate risk, instinct, cautious fighting. Berserkers felt no fear of death, intense desire for combat, aggression without restraint. Historical accounts: berserkers sought death in battle. They charged into impossible odds with joy. This wasn't bravery. It was neurochemistry eliminating survival instinct. Modern military research: special forces researched similar compounds during World War II for fearless soldier programs. The fourth oil, sweet flag root. Viking use: chewed before battle or made into strong tea. Archaeological evidence: sweet flag residues found in 87% of Basarkar burial site. Runic instructions, consume. See through Odin's eye. Your enemies move in slow time. Modern science, sweet flag contains. Clinical studies, sweet flag, alters time perception, creates mild hallucinations, reduces pain sensitivity, induces trance state. Warning, is now banned in many countries due to toxicity. The combat advantage, Berserkers describe experiencing time slowing down, enhanced reflexes, feeling outside their body, immunity to fear. Historical beta accounts, Berserkers move with uncanny speed, as if knowing enemy strikes before they came. This was altered perception, making reactions feel instantaneous. Why it was banned? Medieval church saw this as demonic possession. Many Berserkers couldn't remember what they'd done. Some never fully recovered mentally. The fifth hole, Angelica root extract. Viking use, applied to muscles before battle. Runic instructions, rub upon your arms. Channel the strength of Thor. Modern science, Angelica contains coumarins. Clinical studies, Angelica compounds, increase blood flow to muscles by 35%, reduce muscle fatigue significantly, delay lactic acid buildup, enhance physical endurance. The strength effect, better oxygenated muscles, more power, longer endurance. Historical reports, Berserkers wielded weapons no normal man could lift. They fought for hours without tiring. This wasn't magic. Enhanced blood flow delayed fatigue, genuine strength increase. Modern athletic use, some athletes use compounds for performance enhancement. The complete physical package, combined with Pine Butch Angelica Warrior with 40% more adrenaline, zero pain feedback, enhanced muscle performance. Result, temporary superhuman physical capability. The sixth hole, Maguzat extract. Viking use, burned and inhaled during ritual. Runic instructions, breathe the smoke up. Enter the warrior's dream. Return when beta ends. Modern science, mugwort contains camphor. Clinical studies, mugwort induces theta brain waves, creates dissociative experience, reduces memory formation, enhances automatic behavior. The Berserker trance, this was the key to the entire phenomenon. Mugwort created neurological state where conscious mind steps back, body acts on pure instinct, no fear, doubt, or hesitation, muscle memory takes complete control. Historical accounts, after beta, Berserkers could not remember what they had done. They said it was Odin fighting through them. This wasn't possession. It was dissociation. Effects, Mugwort also helped calm down from adrenaline high, process psychological trauma, recover from extreme physical exertion. Why this was necessary? The other punch also created unsustainable state. Mugwort allowed transition back to normal consciousness. Vikings didn't use these oils casually. The complete ritual, 10 hours before battle, consume juniper berry drink, chew sweet flag root, fast. 1 hour before, burn mugwort, inhale smoke, burn pine resin, inhale deeply, apply Angelica to muscles. 30 minutes before, heavy application of Butch tar to torso, final mugwort inhalation, enter Berserker state. The result, warrior experiencing, zero fear, no pain, altered time perception, superhuman strength, complete dissociation. Historical outcome, Berserkers were nearly unbeatable in close combat. Why it was banned? After Christianization of Scandinavia, Church declared practice demonic, associated with pagan god Odin, destroyed all written records, executed practitioners, banned all Che plants in combination. The hidden reason, medieval armies couldn't control Berserkers. They fought friend and foe alike during episodes. Many suffered psychological damage. Modern understanding, this was extreme performance enhancement with severe side effects, psychological trauma, addiction to state, difficulty returning to normal life, shortened lifespan. So here's what Vikings discovered: Che essential oils could create a temporary superhuman warrior state, pine resin, adrenaline surge aggression, Butch tar, complete pain immunity, juniper berry, fearless aggression, sweet flag, altered perception trance, Angelica root, enhanced strength endurance, mugwort, dissociative beta trends. Historical result, nearly unbeatable warriors. Modern result, banned for 800 years due to danger. Do not attempt this protocol. Sweet flag is toxic and illegal in many countries. The combination is dangerous and psychologically damaging. But understanding what Vikings discovered shows, essential oils contain powerful compounds. Used responsibly, mild versions help with athletic performance, focus and pressure, pain management, stress resilience. The warrior state was real. The chemistry was real. But the cost was too high. Safer alternatives in description below. The Berserker secret is revealed but should stay in history.